Over 2,000 people died in Morocco after being devastated by an earthquake. And doesn't this ring a bell? One of the signs of the end of the age, some of the birth pains before Jesus returns, is that the earth would suffer much destruction through earthquakes. The Word of God says that when these things happen, to look up because your redemption is near. Keep the people of Morocco in your prayers and be ready. Get right with the Lord. The Word of God says He will come like a thief in the night. Nobody knows when except God the Father. If you want to be ready for when Christ returns, subscribe for more.